Ever wonder why your phone lights up or your favorite toy starts dancing? Or how about why your light bulb glows when you flip a switch? It's all thanks to the magic of electricity. Let's dive in to understand this a bit better. Think of electricity as a group of tiny party animals called electrons. These electrons love to dance and move around, but they need a special path to do so. We call this path a circuit. It's kind of like when you pour water into a pipe and it flows through to the other end. But the electrons can't just move anywhere. They need a complete path, a full circuit, with no gaps or breaks. If there's a gap, the party stops, and so does the electricity. It's like having a pipe with a hole in it. The water won't flow properly, so remember, those electrons love a good party, and they need a complete circuit to keep the fun going. Now, not everyone is invited to this electron party. Some materials allow electrons to flow freely, and others, well, they're party poopers. Let's meet the life of the party first, the conductors. Conductors, like metals and water, love to let electrons zip through them. Imagine a bustling dance floor with everyone grooving to the beat. That's what it's like for electrons in a conductor. But then, there are insulators. These are materials like wood and plastic that do not allow electrons to pass through them. Picture a grumpy bouncer at the entrance of a club, arms crossed, not letting anyone through. That's an insulator for you. This is crucial in the world of electricity, because if electrons can't move around, they can't create an electric current. So metals and water are the life of the electron party, while wood and plastic are the strict bouncers stopping the flow. Remember, no flow, no glow. Now there are different types of parties for these electrons. Some are like a conga line, while others are like a buffet. Imagine if electrons were party-goers. In a series circuit, they're like a conga line. They all move together, following one path. If one electron stops to tie a shoe, the whole line stops. That's why when one bulb in a string of Christmas lights goes out, they all do. Now, in a parallel circuit, it's more like a buffet. Each electron can choose its own path, just like when you grab a plate and decide between the mashed potatoes or the green beans. So if one bulb in your house goes out, the others keep shining. It's a non-stop party. Sometimes we add fuses and resistors to these circuits. Think of them as party planners, controlling the flow of guests and ensuring no one overloads the buffet. So, whether it's a conga line or a buffet, the important thing is that the electrons keep moving and the party keeps going. In the world of circuits, there are some real superstars. Let's meet 3 of them: LEDs, diodes, and integrated circuits, or ICs for short. First up, LEDs, or light-emitting diodes. These little guys are the reason your phone screen can light up and display all those bright, beautiful colors. They can be found everywhere, from traffic lights to your favorite gaming console. Next, we have diodes. Imagine them as one-way traffic signs for electricity. They make sure the electricity flows in the right direction, keeping our devices safe and sound. Last but not least, we have integrated circuits. These are like the brains of the operation. They're tiny chips packed with millions, sometimes billions of electronic components. They're the reason why our gadgets can perform complex tasks, like sending a message to a friend or playing a video game. So, from turning on your phone to controlling robots, these superstar components make it all possible. Now, who makes all this possible? Who are the superheroes of the circuit world? You might think of caped crusaders and masked vigilantes, but our heroes are a bit different. They're electrical engineers. These circuit superheroes work tirelessly, using their knowledge of circuits and electricity to create the gadgets we use every day. From the phone in your pocket to the computer you use for schoolwork, electrical engineers have a hand in it all. They're not just about making life convenient, though. They also use their powers to help people. Consider prosthetics, artificial limbs that help people walk, run, and move like they used to. Electrical engineers play a vital role in developing these life-changing devices. They've also been part of the incredible journey from room-sized computers of the past to today's sleek smartphones. So, whether it's making your phone thinner or helping people walk again, electrical engineers are the real superheroes. Now, what about you? Are you ready to join the adventure? Imagine this. You, a mini-engineer discovering the secrets of the universe right from your very own bedroom. With a bit of knowledge about circuits, you could create your own mini light show, power your own toy car, or even build a simple robot. Doesn't that sound exciting? Understanding circuits isn't just about doing cool experiments, though. It's about seeing the world in a whole new light. Every time you flip a switch, use a computer, or charge your phone, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the scenes. And who knows? Maybe one day, you'll be the one inventing a new gadget that will change the world. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step, and you've already taken your first step by learning about circuits. So what are you waiting for? Grab your tools and start your adventure in the exciting world of circuits.